My name's Jordan with C21, been in the business for about 5 years now. That's really the why getting into it, is just the relationships that I kind of got to see that my family create, and then also just, yeah, the relationships and, you know, just seeing you take someone where they may not know from A to Z on the process, they don't know how to obtain a loan, get a home, and then you show them from A to Z, and just seeing how appreciative a lot of those clients are, that they'll take the shirt off their back for you once you help someone out. I mean, it just goes a long way with someone in that. Really, the change that I tried to make going back into 2022 was rates were going back up. It was transitioning back into a buyer's market in a sense. And so what I ended up doing was I just switched my business and tried to stick with going with more listings in a sense, because a listing agent's a lasting agent. And so just stuck with listing a little bit more so, and really just tried to nurture the buyers and the sellers with just the current market knowledge. You look at an investment, which I look at each purchase as an investment ultimately, and you have to look at it and what's this going to be worth in 5 or 10 years. And so just kind of more so focusing on that and not the time being, but just nurturing and saying, okay, is this actually the right financial decision for you? And is this going to be a good buy for you or not? Or should we wait, go on the sidelines? And so just really trying to take care of the client financially and for the future for their investments, just because at the end of the day, if they make a bad purchase or a bad sale, you're the one that guided and helped them through that. Back in 21, you could get a quick phone call from a side and say, hey, I want to buy this. Get them in touch with a lender. They're pre-approved like that. And then, you know, kind of just, you know, quick and easy, just wash your hands and boom, bada bing. But now what I've been kind of seeing, I mean, obviously it's a little bit slower, inventory's down, rates are higher, people are a little more timid. And so just really trying to tackle it on social media so you're in front of them every single day. So when it does come time of, oh, I got a job promotion, or I got, in a position to purchase a home, you're kind of in the forefront of your mind. Well, I see Jordan out there, every day selling, doing this and that. And so that was just something I really tried to focus in on, was just to tackle the social media side of things and really put all my following kind of in the forefront of their minds for when they do make a decision to purchase or sell a home. So.